Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MBA again. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we'll discuss about CAT examination. A lot of students are asking me, भैया CAT के forms कब out होंगे? And finally, the day has arrived. The CAT forms out. Lot students who are asking me कि CAT के notification कब out होगा भैया? So guys, आपको you don't have to worry a lot because CAT notification is out yesterday by common admission test, and this in this year cat is going to be conducted by I am cozy code. You can see here, this is the format that they are posted in the newspaper. हर साल कैट अपना नोटिफिकेशन पोस्ट करता है इन द न्यूज़पेपर, एंड यूजुअली वो वेबसाइट पे नहीं आया होगा, बट इन द अपकमिंग डेज इट विल डेफिनेटली कम. CAT is conducted for the all these 20 IIMs as well as non IIMs and private B schools. You can see here Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Bodh Gaya, Kolkata, Indore, Jammu, Kashmir, from Sambalpur, Shillong to Vishakhapatnam, each and every institute that is present there. Why? And here I know a lot of crowd is coming from pressure background. So I'll tell you one thing, guys. CAT is one of the management institute examination. If you wanted to learn the business acumen and if you wanted to build a business in the future, or you wanted to see yourself in corporate career, CAT is one of the best exam for you. It is conducted by IIMs and it is accepted by 80 out of top 100 B schools in India. नाउ दिस इज द वेबसाइट ऑफ कैट. आप अभी जाके देखोगे तो यू वोंट सी द चेंजेस इन द वेबसाइट, बट विद इन 3 to 4 days दे विल डू द चेंजेस. एंड इन दिस वेबसाइट आपको लॉग जाके लॉग इन करना है. यू नीड टू मेक योर लॉग इन आई डी. आई जस्ट मेड आउट दिस पीपीटी जस्ट फॉर द रेफरेंस की कैसे प्रोसेस चलती है. इन द अपकमिंग डेज आई विल मेक वन वीडियो दैट हाउ यू शुड फिल द फॉर्म फॉर कैट. you'll just go to the imcat.ac.in. वहाँ जाके you will get a better idea कि कैट के लिए फॉर्म कैसे फिल किया जाता है, what is the fees for it. Now, important dates. CAT applications are going to open on 1st account August 2025 and applications are going to be closed on 13 September 2025. But many times क्या होता है, the closing date got extended. Last 3 years से date has been extended up to almost 10 to 15 days. So अक्टूबर तक भी इनकी डेट चली जाती है. Admit card around comes 5th November and exam last week of November में होती है. This year they are shown 30th November, but every time it changes according to the last week Sunday. Post that CAT will be having lot of sessions. Sessions means CAT का slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 होता है. Results will be announced around first or second week of January. When it comes to form fees, for general category, guys, you need to pay around the application cost is around 2600. For SC ST disabled people, cost is around 1300 rupees. And test cities, CAT will be conducting 170 plus cities. You can choose and you can give your 5 preferences. According to that, you need to appear for examination. So आपको preference देना पड़ेगा and according to that आपको सिटी मिलेगा. बेसिकली मैं आपको एक सजेस्ट करूंगा कि ट्राई टू फिल द फॉर्म एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज once you fill the form you will get closer city. While I was writing CAT in 2022, मुझे location almost 300 kilometers from my place दिया गया था. That's why I am telling people to fill the form as soon as possible. Post that, I have made a list of some B schools which are taken by CAT. But these are the B schools. There are a lot of B schools. I just took a category of 10 to 12 B schools. IIMs, ISB Hyderabad, FMS, SPJM, IITs, Great Lakes, MDI Gurgaon, IFT, TIS Mumbai, ISC Bangalore. So these are some of the B schools through which CAT is being conducted. Now, students are asking me कि भैया what are the things that you should definitely keep in mind before CAT. आपके पास एक वाइट बैकग्राउंड के साथ एक स्कैन फोटोग्राफ होना चाहिए. अभी आप बना सकते हो या जस्ट गो टू द नियरेस्ट शॉप. देन सिग्नेचर होनी चाहिए आपकी. यू कैन मेक आउट द सिग्नेचर ऑन पेपर एंड यू कैन पेस्ट इट आउट इन द कैट फॉर्म. आपके पास 10th 12th ग्रेजुएशन के स्कोर होना चाहिए. आपके पास वर्क एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्यूमेंट होने चाहिए. इन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्यूमेंट यू नीड टू हैव अ जॉइनिंग लेटर, you need to have end letter, experience letter, as well as there are 2 to 3 letters which are given by organization. आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. Caste certificate is one of the important aspect. Those students who are coming into category, guys, you should have category certificate as well as caste certificate, because I have seen from last 4 to 5 years, just because of not having category certificate, this student didn't get the seat into the campus. So you need to keep all these things into mind before filling the cat form. Post that, आप पैसे पेमेंट कैसे करोगे? You can do it from credit card, यूपीआई भी यूज कर सकते हो. That will be a best choice for you. एंड गाइज मैं आपको सम थिंग्स आई टेल यू. फर्स्ट थिंग इज, जैसे ही अभी नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो चुका है, आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड थिंग्स, कुछ दिन में यू नीड टू गो इन टू द कैट वेबसाइट विच इज IAMAC.in. आपको फॉर्म फिलअप करना पड़ेगा, टेस्ट सिटीज भरना पड़ेगा. एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी कॉशियस in terms of form filling, because try to fill the form as soon as possible and prepare well for cat. You will be having an ample amount of time. That's it, all about the cat preparation. If you have any questions, please put it into chat box. I'll be always there to help you out.